PacieInTheCity's YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
It looks like you're about to go to sleep. Today is March 10th, and we're going to open one birthday surprise before bedtime, right?
Yes, it's
All
my
right.
birthday.
Yep, let's go.
I'm going to open the last
So we have
one.
16 days until your birthday.
Oh, really? You have a new birthday?
That's Zozo Bear.
She might open it. Can I have to see this?
Sure. There you go. Make sure you hand those back to Mommy so I can put them up. You're not in your bed when you sleep. Thank you.
So I won't cut my hair off. Oh my god.
What?
He's golden.
Golden? Is it CP30?
Why would he be a part of this game?
I know, I'm just joking.
Ooh. Oh, maybe. Oh my god, he almost looks like, oh my god, this should be the ultra rare one, but it's not really.
Okay.
He almost looks like that one.
Okay, open them up. You know what? Oh my gosh.
What do we get?
I think you got the surprise one. Remember the box said there was going to be one extra surprise?
Ah!
And 2 bonus rare figures. Oh my gosh. Did we not see him here?
No, he's not on the map.
Wow, he's not on the map. That's so...
Maybe on the back? Maybe on the back?
No. Do you see him there? Look at him. Kind of looks like CP30 from Star Wars.
I know, huh? Raise your hand if you ever watched that. Oh my god, he's not on behind here.
He's not on there either. Too funny.
Oh my god.
Alrighty, so you got an ultra rare one.
So that's why it was the last one.
Yes.
They were-
Well, I don't know. We don't know if that was the last one because you mixed up the
Box.
yeah.
But I think this is, maybe this is the extra one
Yes.
that looks like this.
Yeah.
That one, the 16th president.
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. Do like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. I like this. Goodbye.